Investing in dividend stocks can be a powerful strategy for generating passive income and building long-term wealth. Dividend stocks offer investors the opportunity to earn regular cash payments while potentially benefiting from capital appreciation. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of dividend investing, covering key concepts, strategies, and considerations to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. 1. Understanding dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders on a regular basis. These distributions, known as dividends, are typically paid out quarterly or annually. Companies that pay dividends often have stable cash flows and a long track record of profitability. Investing in dividend stocks can provide investors with a steady stream of income, making them particularly attractive for income-focused investors. 2. Evaluating dividend stocks. When evaluating dividend stocks, it's essential to consider several key factors. Dividend yield. The dividend yield represents the annual dividend income as a percentage of the stock price. A higher dividend yield indicates a higher return on investment, but investors should also assess the sustainability of the dividend. Dividend growth rate. Companies that consistently increase their dividends over time demonstrate financial strength and a commitment to shareholder value. Examining the historical dividend growth rate can provide insight into a company's future prospects. Payout ratio. The payout ratio measures the percentage of earnings that are paid out as dividends. A lower payout ratio suggests that a company has room to increase its dividends in the future without sacrificing financial stability. Dividend history. Examining a company's dividend history can help investors assess its reliability and consistency in paying dividends. Companies with a long track record of dividend payments may be more attractive to income-oriented investors. Financial health. Assessing the company's financial health, including factors such as debt levels, cash flow, and profitability, is crucial to ensure its ability to sustain dividend payments over the long term. 3. Strategies for investing in dividend stocks. There are several strategies that investors can employ when investing in dividend stocks. Dividend growth investing. This strategy involves investing in companies with a history of consistently increasing dividends. By focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and a commitment to shareholder value, investors can benefit from growing income over time. High-yield dividend investing. Some investors prioritize stocks with high dividend yields, seeking out companies with above-average dividend payments. However, it's essential to assess the sustainability of the dividend and avoid companies with unsustainable payout ratios. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. DRIPs allow investors to reinvest their dividends automatically to purchase additional shares of the company's stock. This can accelerate the growth of the investment over time through the power of compounding. Diversification. Diversification is key to managing risk in any investment portfolio. By investing in a diversified portfolio of dividend stocks across different sectors and industries, investors can reduce the impact of any individual company's performance on their overall returns. Dividend ETFs and mutual funds. For investors seeking a more diversified approach, dividend-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds offer a convenient option. These funds invest in a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks, providing exposure to a broad range of companies. Conclusion. Investing in dividend stocks can be an effective way to generate income and build wealth over the long term. By understanding the fundamentals of dividend investing, evaluating stocks effectively, and implementing sound investment strategies, investors can harness the power of dividends to achieve their financial goals. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice if needed to make informed investment decisions. With careful planning and patience, dividend stocks can play a valuable role in a well-rounded investment portfolio. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.